are all doing good, and we are going to enter into the 4th week online classes. Please feel free to share any like or dislike regarding these online classes. Kindly contact us. Thank you. Hi kids, good morning. Today we are going to start the 4th session. Stay safely at home. Now we are going to complete the circle time. Shall we complete? One. So which month is this then? This month is August. August. Day is Monday. What's the day? Monday. 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 And date is 24. Date is 24. So the month is August, day is Monday, and the date is 24. So before going to the new sounds, we are going to recall the sounds already we have learned. So shall we recall? Remember how many sounds we have finished? Very good. We have finished 6 sounds in first group. So shall we recall the sounds? What's the first sound then? First sound is S. What's the sound? S. So shall we sing? Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. S. Snake is in the grass. Second sound is A. What's the sound? A. So shall we sing? And samaya. And samaya. And samaya. They are causing me alarm. Very good. Next sound is T. What's the sound? T. Shall we sing? When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Great. Shall we move to the next sound? What's the sound? Say loudly, what's the sound? E. What's the sound? E. Shall we sing? Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Very good. And fifth sound is P. What's the sound? P. What's the sound? P. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. P. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Very good. And the sixth sound in the first group is in. What's this? So shall we sing? Stretch out your arm. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. Very good. Clap yourself. You have completed first group sounds. Now we are going to learn sounds from the second group. So shall we start? What's the first sound in the second group then? K. What's this? K. Listen here. We have 2-letter formation for a sound, for a single sound. K. K. So look here. Look here. What's this? Curly K. What's this? Curly K. And what's this? Kicking K. What's this? Kicking K. Listen carefully. This is curly K and this is kicking K. Curly K, kicking K. And look here, we have K cat, K castanets. So what's the sound there? K. Curly K, kicking K. So this is the letter formation for the sound K. What's this? K. Already ma'am told we have 2-letter formation for the sound K. What's this? curly ku, and this is kicking ku. Curly ku, kicking ku. Curly ku. Do you remember this, Dad? Yeah, we have seen this in the pattern, no? What's this? Ku. Curly ku. It's in curly shape, no? So what's this? Curly ku. What's this? Curly ku. And this is kicking ku. What's this? Kicking ku. Look here, what's this? Kicking ku. So this is curly ku. What's this? Curly ku. And this is kicking ku. Kicking ku. See the action for the sound ku. 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 Keep your hands like this and tap with your fingers. Ku. 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 Do it along with me. Ku. Ku. So shall we sing now? We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 Sing along with me. Listen carefully. We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 So shall we sing together? Sing along with me. We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. Ku. 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 Place. Come here. Join the index finger and middle finger. What's this, Dad? Curly ku. It's in curly shape. So what's this? Curly ku. And this is kicking ku. What's this? Kicking ku. So shall we trace? Join the fingers. Trace along with me. What's this? Curly ku. Curly ku. Curly ku. Very good. And this is kicking ku. Trace along with me. Kicking ku. Kicking ku. What's this? Kicking ku. Look carefully. This is curly ku. And this is kicking ku. Shall we sing once again? We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ku. 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 We are going to see the k sound pitches. What's this? Cat. What's this? Cat. K. K. Cat. K. K. Cat. What's this? Cat. K. K. Cat. Very good. And what's this, Dad? This is cup. This is cup. K. K. Cup. K. K. Cup. What's this? K. K. Cup. And next is, do you like kite? Kite. K. K. Kite. K. K. Kite. What's this? Kite. K. K. Kite. The third sound is, what's the sound? H. H. Look at my mouth. H. H. Come and look here. What's this? What's the sound? H. What's the sound? H. So shall we trace? What's this? H. What's this? H. What's this? H. Very good. Now, what's the action? So shall we sing a song? Look at me, listen carefully. I like to hop, hop, hop. What's this da? Hop. What's this? Hop. Do you like to hop? Hop with me. Hop. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down, up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop. All around, all around. I like to hop, hop, hop. All around. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down. So shall we sing once again? Sing along with me. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop. All around. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down. So shall we sing together? What's the sound? H. What this boy is doing? The hopping. What's this? What he is doing? Hopping. Shall we sing? I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop. All around. I like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down. So shall we see the pictures now? What's this there? Hen. Hen. Listen carefully. Hen. What's this? Hen. What's this? Hen. Very good. And next, do you like to wear this? What's this? Hat. 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 What's this? Hat. Next one is, this is my favorite animal. What's this? Horse. What's this? Horse. Horse. What's this? Horse. So what's this then? This is a flower pot. It has many flowers. It has many flowers. That too colorful flowers. What are the colors? We have blue color flowers and yellow color flowers, green color flowers, pink color flowers and red color flowers, and finally saffron color flowers. So you like flowers, no? Now we are going to enter into the new topic, sight words, and I am going to introduce new words to you. So shall we start? What's the first there? I. What's this? I. Look at me. Look at the action. I. I. Look here. Come and look here. What's this? I. I. Very good. And look at me. Shall we do together? I. What's this? I. Very good. Shall we move to the second one? What's this there? All. What's this? All. Come and look here. What's this? All. We learned the sound, no? All. All. Very good. All. Say all. Very good. I. All. I. All. Say again. I. All. What's the third one? Was. Look at my mouth. Was. What's this? Was. Come. What's this? Was. Was. Very good. What's this there? Was. Next one is two. What's this? Two. Look at me. Two. What's this? Two. Very good. What's this? Two. Come, look at me. What's this? Two. Two. What's this? Two. Very good. And fifth one is that. That. Look at my mouth. That. What's this? That. What's this? That. Come and look here. What's this? That. That. Very good. And the sixth one is or. What's this? Or. Look at my mouth. Listen carefully. Or. What's this? Or. What's this? Or. Very good. Shall we recite again? I, all, was, to, that, are. Next is do. What's this? Do. Do. Look at my mouth. Listen carefully. What's this? Do. What's this? He. He. What's this? He. He. He is a boy. So boy, if it boy means you have to say he. What's this? He. What's this? Me. Me. What's this? Me. What's this? Me. And next one is we. Listen carefully. We. What's this? We. 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 And next one is she. She. You know the sound, Noda? What's the sound? She. What's this? She. She is a girl. She is a girl. Girl means you have to say she. She. And next one is be. What's this? Be. Be. What's this? Be. Very good. You have completed all blue flowers. So shall we recite once again? Come. Ma'am going to say first. I, all, was, to, that, are, do, she, me, we, she, be. It's your turn. You have to say. So shall we start? Ma'am going to point each flower. You have to recite it. So can we see who are all going to say? Come. What's this? Very good. I. What's this? I. Great. And what's this? Say loudly. What's this? All. Very good. What's this? All. And what's this one? That. Very good. Was. What's this? Was. Next one is two. Very good. Two. And what's this? Say loudly. What's this? There. Very good. There. What's this? On. Very good. What's this? On. What's this guy? Do. What's this? Do. What's this? He. Very good. What's this? He. And what's this? Me. Me. Very good. Say it loud now. What's this? We. Very good. We. And what's this one? She. Very good. She. What's this? B. Very good. B. Great. You have finished all blue flowers. Clap yourself. Very good. Already you got practice how to write the alphabets. So now we are going to recall the alphabets and how to write. So shall we start? First, draw the stroke, curve, touch the upper line and come down. What's this? A. Again, stroke, curve, touch the upper line and come down. A. Stroke, curve, touch the upper line and come down. A. Stroke, curve, touch the upper line, down, a, stroke, curve, touch the upper line and come down, a, again, stroke, curve, touch the upper line and come down, a. And our next letter is a after what the b. For that, write L pattern and touch the upper line and slipping line. B. B. What's this? B. Again, L, touch the upper line and slipping line. B. L, touch the upper line, slipping line. B. Say and write. B. What's this? B. What's this? B. Very good. Another time. What's this? B. Very good. And the third letter is K. K. Already know the curve pattern. Stroke, stroke, touch the upper line and curve. What's this? K. So shall we write again? Stroke, touch the upper line and draw the curve. K. Stroke, touch the upper line and draw the curve. K. Stroke, touch the upper line, draw the curve. K. Touch the upper line, curve. What's this? K. Stroke, touch the upper line and draw curve. K. Fourth letter is D. So we start. Stroke, draw the curve and a standing line, come down. D. Stroke, curve, standing line, come down. D. Stroke, curve, standing line. D. Write along with me. Stroke, curve, standing line, come down. D. Stroke, curve, standing line, come down. D. Write along with me. What's this? D. Stroke, curve, standing line and come down. This is D. Our next letter is A. Look carefully. A. A. Write slowly. A. Say and write. A. Our next letter is, what's the letter? Start from here. Stroke. Touch the lower line. Touch the upper line and slanting line. F. Stroke. Touch the upper line. Touch the lower line and go to the top and a slanting line. What's this? F. Say and write. Write slowly. F. 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 Whatever we learned today, practice this at home. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Velu.